Hello, do you have problems changing your administrative email of your WordPress website? If that's the case, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your administration email address without going through the verification process. What happens is, when you change your email, when you go to settings and general and change your email here and save the changes, WordPress will promise you of sending an email to your inbox which never arrives. Okay, so when you reload this page 100 times, you will not get this email. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change it without worrying about going through this process. So we're going to be doing that inside PHP My Admin. Okay, go to your hosting dashboard and then go to cpanel. On this search box, please type PHP and then click on PHP My Admin. Okay, PHP My Admin, wait for it to load. Please locate your database. Okay, so here I have it here, which is WP541. so try and locate your database and you click on that, and then you can see here options. Click on options and this is the website. Okay, so you can use this address, this value, to know the kind of the website you are changing or you are doing the changes. So this is the website, and when I come here you can see this is the domain name. This is my subdomain _nyezinahsolomon. Okay, so, and here you can see, so that's the appropriate database. Now just below it you see here this admin email. Just click on it, double click on it, and then paste your email here. So paste your email here, the email you want to change here, and that is all. Don't do anything again. And then once you click on that, just click outside this white space, so you double click on it and you can see it has changed. Now to verify this, go back to your WordPress dashboard, reload the page, and you can see it has changed. So from now onwards you'll be using this email to log into your website, and that is it. This is now your administrative email address without going through the verification process. An email they promised to send us which has not yet arrived, so let's wait for it. Maybe 10 years to come it will arrive. All right, so I hope this video has been informative. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks and bye bye.